Trash pandas, garbage kittens. It's the other Sean at Shock Surplus, back again, and I'm inside. I'm in front of the wall, baby, so you know I'm going to be talking product with you today. Probably used to hearing this a lot, but we're talking Bilstein 6112s for your Toyota. In this case, this is going to be 05 to 2015 Tacoma, 16 to 22 Tacoma, 03 to 09 4Runner, V6 and V8, and 03 to 09 GX470, and 07 to 09 FJ Cruiser. It's a mouthful. It's a lot of parts. But we'll get to these changes real quick. You'll be asking yourself, we always love the 6112s, what needs to be changed, and really not much. What Bilstein's done, and the reason why there's only one strut here in front of me, is they've unified all of those different fitments into one nice, beautiful strut. How they've done that is, boom, they've added 11 circlip settings onto this, so you can basically set it up for all those number of vehicles and get the ride height you're looking for. Previously, the basic body for the 6112 strut, the valving, the length, everything, even the spring was the same between all these different applications. What was different was the circlip position and the number of grooves. Bilstein made it easy, made it into one part, and if you've known, we've loved the 6112s, but we haven't loved how hard they've been to get. Bilstein's had a hard time keeping up with how much you guys want these parts, so to make it easier, they've made production as simple as possible by making one single strut for all those applications, knowing that it's going to work great for your application. From there, besides these number of circlip grooves, they have given us a sweet new sticker, dude, which I kind of like. They got a nice little Easter egg on there that'll have you bugging out. Dad joke of the day. You'll only get that when you see the sticker. Just buy the struts and you'll know. From there, everything else is largely the same. You get the same great parts kit. You get the same great packaging, so you know your strut's going to get there safe. And you get a good set of instructions. If you look, they got a setting table for every single one of those applications I mentioned before. But let's be honest, you're going to have us assemble them. You ain't going to need these, all right? Speaking of that, we will have these part numbers updated on the site, and we'll be assembling them at your desired lift height, how you want them, when you want them. Right now, these are actually already in the shelves and starting to ship, so some of you might actually be seeing your old part number has already been updated to these. If you didn't, you're not missing out on anything but just easier production in the future. From there, if you have any questions about these, any other parts we carry, any other 6112s for any other vehicle, give us a shout in the comments, give us a call, give us an email, and we'd love to help you out. I'm the other Sean at Shock Surplus, and you get shocking.